here with Teach Mom How. Today I'm going to show you how to make these cool little memory videos of your pictures and your photos and things that you take. You got to have an iPhone for this. You got to have a Mac computer, or you can probably do it on an iPad, I'm guessing. But I'm going to show you how to make these cool little memory videos. They're super easy. You do almost nothing. I've started just doing these and posting them on our family YouTube channel. It's called Nani Talks. My kids would love it if you went over and subscribed to that. Nani Talks, but you got to spell it right. It's spelled N-A-N-N-I. Nani. N-A-N-N-I Talks. Hope you go check that out. My kids would love it if you did. They've got like 40 subscribers. You could be the 41st. All right, so these memory videos, they're so cool. Mac has always been good at this type of thing. They've just gotten better and better and easier. The ones I post on our channel, I intentionally do not edit them at all. I'm just, and so I get some kind of funny, goofy videos in there. But that's part of the fun for me, is just to see what the AI comes up with. But I'm going to show you how to make these and how to edit them a little bit if you choose to. So it's super easy. This is the 2024 version of Mac OS. It's the Mac OS Sonoma, Mac OS 14. And let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is you need to open the Photos app right here. Okay. In the Photos app, let's go full screen. In the Photos app, you have underneath Library, you have Memories. And what it does is it groups chunks of pictures by date and location. And it gives them a recommended title, okay? Like sometimes if it doesn't know what else to name it, it'll just name it the location. Like this was my city. I changed it to Easter eggs. This one by default got it right. New Year's Eve, December 31st. So I think it's fun just to not even edit these and see what they come up with. But you can double click on any of these memories. Let's do one of our Disney trips. Okay. And here you go. It's created this slideshow. I did nothing, by the way, other than take these pictures on my iPhone. It's got more pictures, gonna repeat the music. All right, you get the idea. So, you literally can just open that, and then up here at the top, you can go File, Export Memory Video, name it whatever you'd like to name it, and save it. I put all of these, like I said, on our YouTube channel just so we can look back and watch them. And I intentionally don't edit them. But that's how you save those videos outside of the Photos app. Obviously, you can come into the Photos app and watch them anytime. But that's how you save them outside of the Photos app. Now, what if you do want to edit it? Like maybe I want to edit the title, okay? So what I'll do, if you open up one of the memories, I'm going to pause it. Right here, you can move back to the start, restart the video. Right here, you can change the music. Okay, change the music. Right here, you can add a filter. This, by the way, will add the filter to all the photos, I believe. Right here shows the photos and videos that are in your video. You can click this to choose other photos. You can add other photos to this video right here, okay? Or delete photos that are in it. So that's how you edit it. But let's say you want to edit the title. You would come onto the memory and you'd right click and click Edit Title. Right click, or if you don't know how to have a mouse that will right click, you hold Control and you do normal click, okay? Right click or hold Control and left click, and then choose Edit Title. And you can rename it. It says 2023, but I'm pretty sure we did not go there in 2023. So I'm going to put 2022. All right, save it. There you go. And then you just export it like I showed you before. One last time, I'll show you how to export it. Open it. Up top, push File. Pause the music. File. Export. Export memory video. Name it whatever you'd like. Click Save. When that finishes, you now have a video you can upload to YouTube. If you don't know how to upload videos to YouTube, I've got several videos on Teach Mom How. Go check those out and search my Teach Mom How channel for a video on how to upload to YouTube. All right, that's all I got for you today. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you most likely tomorrow or later this week with another video.